Welcome guys. Today I'm introducing to you a vector animation mobile app called VectorMotion. It is a mobile app with great features which makes it easy to animate with vector just with your phone and at the same time design good vector logos. To get started in using VectorMotion, I made two videos. The first video will talk about the features of VectorMotion, including the toolbar, panel bar, scene and the direction bar. While in the second video, we are going to animate our first project in VectorMotion. If you like this video and you want to see more or know more about this mobile animation app, VectorMotion, kindly like and subscribe and watch the video getting started with VectorMotion 1 and 2. Thanks for watching. Catch you on in the next video.
I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue